Okay, lawn fans, are you ready? Let's talk about core aeration. And what is core aeration? It is when you come through and you poke hundreds and hundreds of holes in the surface of your lawn and you pull those cores out. What I'm gonna do now is run over this with my rotary mower, and I'm gonna bust up all those cores because I have a lot of good nutrients in my soil. I wanna return that back in the lawn. Well, why did I go ahead and poke all these holes if I'm just gonna bust the dirt up? Because I wanna open this up to allow me to put new nutrients down into the soil. I wanna allow air movement, and I'm helping with any compaction that I might have in this lawn. So once I get this all cleaned up with the rotary mower and bust all this up, then I'm gonna go over here. There's a package on the porch that came today. It's a 2702 product that I'm gonna put out on this lawn. I'm gonna water it in thoroughly, and that is gonna be the beginning of my spring season. And I've got some spots in my yard that I'm gonna go ahead and do a leveling job on, an early season leveling, so I'm not gonna have to take a look at sand during the prime growing season when I've got a nice green yard. But that's it today. Again, these are gonna bust up really easy once I take that rotary mower over the top of them. Now, some people, they like to take them completely off their lawn. If you've got a lawn that you're starting to work with and maybe it doesn't have the best of soil, it's a lot of heavy clay, then you may wanna take these completely off your yard, discard them somewhere. My soil I've been working on for a few years now, and it's got a lot of good organic matter growing in it. So I want to return that back down into the ground. That's it for right now. Again, a 2702 core aeration done today. Let's talk about this real quick. You could do a solid tine aeration, and what is the difference between core? A solid tine aeration is not going to pull these plugs out. It's going to poke a hole down in the soil. It'll allow some air movement and allow you to get some nutrients down into the soil. But what it can also do is if you have compacted soil and you run a solid tine aerator over the top of it, it can make your soil more compacted. So you want to open it up and pull these plugs out of it. So that's it. That's all I got for today. Bermuda Brian, out.